So this is a wonderful little pendant. Now, because I've already mentioned size, make sure you do check out the video below where Kieran is modeling this pendant. It'll really help you appreciate the size, but it's just really nice. It's a great little design, great simple design, and it has the opal with that intense bright color, nicely framed by the setting. This is a Queensland Boulder opal. It's not a doublet, not a triplet, not synthetic opal. It's not an inlay. This is the real deal. Basically, the opal forms inside these thin ironstone boulders. We've just removed the ironstone from one side, left it attached to the ironstone rock on the other side. Brightness is the most important value determining feature, and you can see here this got great brightness, and it also has red. Red is the most valuable of all the colors. So a really nice little pendant here. The item number is 22239. That's 22239. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're happy to answer any questions over the phone, and we can also take payment over the phone. The pendant comes with this sterling silver adjustable necklace and also this nice wood box. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. But if you like this, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add to Cart button. My name is Geoff Mcdonald, and thanks for watching.